So check this out, guys. This motor was pretty much jammed inside this engine bay, and we did have to use this hydraulic kit to push this frame rail out. Now we pretty much got it loose, as well as the transmission. So what do you say, boss?
Man, I'm ready to pull this thing out.
What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm working on this 2013 Audi A7. This is my sister's car, and someone did nick the front bumper, and it's also got a bunch of rock chips in the center grille. So we're gonna put some DTV touches to it and get this car back to OEM. Let's get started, boys. All right, you guys, so we got the grill off, and this sucker new is like $1,000. So we're just gonna have to repaint it as well. As you can see, all the paint is peeling on this lower section. Here's where the fun part comes in. We are gonna have to take all these chrome strips out carefully without breaking any tabs. And as you can see, we got plenty of it. I was thinking about color matching the entire grill black, but I think the chrome looks kind of good with the white, so we'll just stick with that. I also like how the bumper has the skeleton piece. It's not as flimsy as like a Honda Civic bumper. Here's the new OEM bumper, which lists for like $1,400, but somehow this was like a customer return or something like that. He got very lucky and only paid $500. And this thing's already got primer on it, so we're just gonna throw some adhesion promoter on it, get some sealer down, and we should be ready to paint this sucker. Let's keep moving. Guys, so we got the bumper scuffed and ready to go. I'm gonna go ahead and spray some adhesion promoter to help the paint stick, and then we'll go with our sealer, and then we should be ready for some base coat. Let's get it done. What's going on, guys? Next day here, my sister did pick up the Audi last night. She was pretty excited to get it since she did have to use a truck and that was just a little bit too big for her to maneuver. But anyways, today we are working on the G35. Ever since we brought it, we just kind of parked it here in the woods. And what we want to focus on is to go ahead and get the motor and transmission out so we can start getting everything mocked up for the RX7. So check this out, guys. This motor was pretty much jammed inside this engine bay, and we did have to use this hydraulic kit to push this frame rail out. Now we pretty much got it loose, as well as the transmission. So what do you say, boss?
Man, I'm ready to pull this thing out.
Bubba over here did an awesome job. Let's go ahead and start lowering this sucker down. There we go.
Oh, snap. I already forgot something. Go back up, go back up.
What's going on?
You got too much stress on this little wire.
What happened over here? check this out, guys. We got the motor on the ground. It is a bit too heavy for me and the bro to handle. So tomorrow we're just gonna disconnect the transmission and go from there. So that is gonna be a wrap for today. We made a lot of good progress and I'm super excited to get back on the RX7 and get that transmission installed. And we got a lot of cool things planned for the RX7, so be sure to subscribe to the channel. With all this said, thanks guys for all the support. Be sure to give us a follow on Instagram at DannyTV. Thanks for watching. I'm out.